Top 5 note-taking apps for seamless organization in 2024.
Discover the best note-taking apps to organize your thoughts, ideas, and tasks efficiently. These top picks help you stay productive, whether you're a student, professional, or just want to keep life organized. Let's explore the standout choices of 2024 and why they're trusted by millions worldwide.
1. Notion, all-in-one workspace.
Notion combines note-taking, project management, and collaboration in a single platform. Its flexible pages and databases let you create to-do lists, meeting notes, personal journals, and more. Customizable templates make organization effortless. Notion's real-time collaboration features are popular with teams, while individuals love its powerful organization tools.
2. Evernote, classic and reliable.
Evernote remains a favorite for capturing ideas, web clippings, images, and voice notes. Its robust tagging and search capabilities ensure you find information quickly. Evernote's cross-device syncing keeps your notes accessible anywhere, and its integration with calendars and productivity tools makes it a reliable choice for keeping thoughts in order.
3. Microsoft OneNote, flexible and free.
Microsoft OneNote offers a notebook-like experience perfect for detailed note-taking. With the ability to type, draw, and attach multimedia, it's great for everything from lectures to project planning. Its seamless integration with Microsoft Office and OneDrive makes sharing and syncing notes across devices easy, and its generous free tier appeals to many users.
4. Apple Notes, simplicity for Apple users.
Apple Notes is a top pick for those in the Apple ecosystem, delivering a simple yet powerful way to create and organize notes, lists, scan documents, and sketches. With end-to-end encryption, quick syncing across Apple devices, and sharing features, it's a handy app for staying organized without extra fuss.
5. Google Keep, fast and minimalist.
Google Keep is perfect for capturing quick thoughts, reminders, and lists. Its color-coded notes, labels, and integration with Google Workspace help you manage ideas efficiently. Simple checklists, voice memos, and collaborative features make it an easy option for anyone wanting a lightweight, fast, and accessible note-taking solution.
Choosing the best app for you.
Each app excels in different areas, from Notion's flexibility to Google Keep's simplicity. Consider your needs, whether it's advanced organization, cross-device syncing, or deep integration with your favorite services. With these 5 apps, you're sure to find the perfect tool to boost your organization and productivity in 2024.